no one calls me on the 99% of the time when I'm not on webcam, dashcam, GoPro, whatever, yeah? As soon as I start filming, I'm the most popular person in the world. Hello.
Hello, I'm Andy, calling from the fraud department at Halifax. Am I speaking with...
No, you're not. You're speaking to her son, youngest son.
Okay, I'll need to speak with your mother to confirm the payment she's trying to make.
Mum is not here at the moment. Is it possible if I do it on her behalf, because I'm the next of kin on her bank account? I do all the confirmations for her, usually on the phone.
Unfortunately, I can only speak with you to confirm this payment.
Okay, no problem, sir. I'm just gonna get my mum then, even though I just said she's not here. Okay, yeah, my mum's here now.
Hi there, is this...
Yes! Box it on my tyre, like it's gone. Oh no, my tyre's gone!
A transaction on your mobile banking. Can I ask a few security questions before lifting the button on your account?
Yes!
So, on the 31st of December, you made a transaction of £48.50. Could you tell me what that was for?
£48.50. £48.50? Bits?
No, not the specific item, just the name of the business. It should be on your bank statement for the 31st of December 2025.
Nah, bro, Boots is in the shop, Boots. Or the factory in this instance. No, she didn't buy shoes. For £48.50, you don't. My mum wears slippers for £4.50.
I'm afraid I can't confirm your identity, so I'm not going to be able to complete the transaction.
Oh, wait, isn't that right, Mum? Yes!
Okay, that's fine. Give us a ring back on this.
Oh no, please, bro. She's trying to swear whatever. I always do it though. Every time she's trying to make a transaction, they call me, and my mum's. Oh no, please don't be like that, bro. I'll call back on this number and then I'll be with my mum next time. I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. That was me putting on a voice.
Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.
So I mean, we've been called, now the whole video's gone, we're a minute and a half in, which means we're swiftly moving on to the promotion of the A119M Pro VOFO dashcam. Decided to get a dashcam because we're constantly having close calls on this channel. So if we are going to crash, we might as well crash in 4K 30 FPS, you know what I'm saying? Now with this dashcam, you can seamlessly connect to your phone using a Type-C cable, and it has built-in Wi-Fi 6 technology, so you don't have to sit there for 2 hours trying to download a 4K video like I have to do with my YouTube account. You do not need to do that. It takes 10 seconds if that with the Wi-Fi 6 technology. In addition to that, this A119M Pro has HDR tech, so it's not overexposed in the sunlight, as you can see in sunny England. But genuinely, there's no overexposure. Even in the dark, you can still identify number plates, which on majority of dash cams you genuinely can't. Majority of dash cams look like you screen recorded Minecraft, and when it's time for an insurance payout, no one pays you out. You can't identify the plate in front of you because you cheaped out on your dash cam. That transit in front, you can clone it, even if, I'm not saying you should, but if you wanted to, you can, because of the high crisp 4K quality of this dash cam. Majority of dash cams do not do that, so you're truly protected with the VOFO A119M Pro. Mate, you're rolling with a 4K camera team. David Attenborough rolls with worse than this. This is a good dash cam. I strongly recommend you get it, because all the drivers now are migrants, and look, there's a people as we speak. They don't know what they're doing. Nothing against migrants. I'm just saying the majority pass their test in another country. I'm not expecting them to know how to drive here. Use my code RIZZY119MP, which is in the pinned comment on top of the description, for £10 off. It's only £160. A massive shout out to VOFO for sponsoring this video. The link will be at the top of my description. Anyway, I feel like I've not even acknowledged you today, mate. I feel like it's just been go, go, go. You know what I mean? Oh my God. Not even a pothole, bro. Straight hole in the road. Looks like a trap Robbie Rotten would have set up. Hole in the floor, cover it with leaves. I feel like I've not even given you any time or affection today. So what you saying, boys? This looks like a version of the Beatles crossing the zebra crossing. Ross. Astra's on it, cutting up. What is it? Temporary light? Oh my God, it actually is. Yo, you trying to overtake? Ah, yeah. Nah, fair dues, mate. I'll give you the doubt of the benefit. All that commotion for what? Hole in the floor. There's a hole in the floor back there. There's no temp light there going on, is there? Why is there so many like obstructions? Stop turning. I know, okay, cool, go to Greg's, but please, can everything stop occurring in front of me? And finally, a bit of me and you time, boys. What was I saying? Okay, yeah, hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing another driving about like we did in the last video, and the video before that, and the video before that, and oh my god, bro, I swear he's just undertaken me. Isn't that an automatic fate? I look like a bit of a Wally as well. I've got parking assist mirrors, bro. What are they called? Blind spot mirrors. Why is all the roads closed? And if they're not closed, you get a fine. I got fined the other day for going down a road, and I'm still confused. Why would you build a road if you're not allowed to go down it? Surely just make it into a uni accommodation then, innit? If you don't want me to drive there. Why have you laid out tarmac and lines, you bellend? But I'm in this Scirocco. I thought it was mapped, but it's not. Apparently the older ones, the 1.4 was 160 horsepower. Fair dues, mate. But I'm in this car because someone's coming later and he's left a deposit, and he seems really keen. I'd love to say there's no lights on the dash, but now I've got a puncher. So as soon as I sort that, which shouldn't be too much or expensive or long, then it should be our last ever drive in this. I wanted to give it one more blast because the car's decent. It's actually okay. I don't really drive nice cars anymore because I sold my personal car. I do not own a personal car anymore to focus on my business of flipping cars. Bro, green means go. That's like the first thing they teach you. Green is go. Like, people who don't know how to drive know green means go. Look at the potholes in the road, flipping out. You know, a license and them lot do cutting up in America. I can literally do that here with the potholes, and it's more impressive. Oh, look, and now my mum's texted me, confronting me about the Halifax transaction not going through. I love how she knows it's got my name written all over it. Oh, it's one of those days where the lights just don't go green. You know when they don't go green, like actually, yeah, I've had a couple of videos like this where we keep having to stand still. You know, you do the handbrake, that's when you know it's deep. That's when you know you've been stood still a while. I actually hate driving, you know. I know it's hypocritical with flipping POV channel. I don't mind going out for a drive with the intentions to drive, but it's just when it's like, you know, when I've got to actually be somewhere and there's just a commute and there's just traffic and everyone's being a bit of a spaz on the road. Like this guy's just doing 20 for no reason. When there's too much of that, count me out, bro. Don't get to, I like making videos because when I'm making videos, 90% of the time, I've gone out to make the video. I'm not filming my commute or where I'm trying to go. Because I used to do that, but that's a bit annoying. Charge up a camera just to go on your weekly shop. What are my Alfie days? Also, but oh my god, bro. What was I going to say? Another thing with this car, boys, yeah? A guy come to view it and I filmed it. I laughed this off lightly, yeah? But the oil cap, he left it off. Do you think he did that intentionally? Like, he took it off to check if the gasket's blowing, making sure there's no jizz stains on it. I do the same thing, but I've never left the oil cap off. But this guy came, left the oil cap off, and then didn't buy it because the engine light came on. And the engine light came on because the oil cap was off. So you tell me, do you think that was intentional or not? Because I didn't think it was intentional until I saw some comments on that video. Oh wow, riveting content this. See, this is what I mean. I don't like driving. You have to keep stopping. Even when it's your turn to go, someone runs a red light. So you've got to stop. So we're still stopped. Okay, now we can finally go. But the problem now that we've gone, do your speed limit, whatever, that's fine. Don't want to mack anyone off. 10 seconds later, there's more roadworks. A lot of people working in the road, so you stop again. This is inhumane, bro. Like, I'm being serious. You think when we used to explore and that in the jungles, back in our ancestors' days, we had to keep stopping? No. It plays with your patience. I think this is government control. They do this on purpose, which is why I'm actually fighting the government in protest here, and I bought myself some entertainment. What you know about game of Tetris at the temporary light? Completely legal, by the way. I don't know, actually. Guess we'll find out. Guess we'll find out in 3 to 5 days. Okay, we've just lost the game. And off. Oh. There you go. And you're off, mate. That's only good if you're, well, I've got autism. But if you're actually a normal guy getting about your day to day, then that's gonna piss you off more. Losing Tetris and getting late to your meeting. It's a lose-lose situation, which is why I'm boycotting this road. That's why I've come back and I'm coming off. This road is shit. I can't, like, this road is undrivable. There's just too many holes and lights. It's just long. This car's actually quite fast, I'm not even gonna lie. For what it is, for what I paid. Mate, I'm handing out gaps on Tetris. You know what, it's a shame, you know, to end my final drive in the Scirocco like that, on bad terms, bro. Just because the environment was being so negative. But I'm still gonna try and bring some positivity to it, boys. And indicating, mate, I am a model driver, ain't I? And what me and Rangy are gonna do now is we're gonna try and clear some speed bumps. Oh, he's on a rock. His car's wider than mine though, but smooth, caution, heavy plant crossing. What, is there going to be an obese aloe vera coming through here? I think I'm the funniest person. That is such an ugly building. Look at that. That's actually something you make in Minecraft in a rush on creative mode when you kind of can't be asked to play. That is actually, that's not a nice looking building. Plus, I hope that's not a house, but I just know it is. It's gonna be a house and an apartment. Someone's gonna come home to a Amazon Prime box. More templates. SP. Come on. I love Tetris, bro. A bit of old school Tetris. Basically, boys, I just cleared the bottom row, innit? Say it so don't spray it. Bang. Or I'm not even trying to be arrogant and big-headed, but Tetris, like, yeah, I'm on smoke. I know what I'm doing. I know what day it is. Oh, you bastard! Minor, that was an actual accident. I'm still getting used to this console, innit? Oof! Smooth! Straight in that gap. We're still not gone yet. And boys, did you know, this is not even a brand deal, I swear to God, this is just a product I use. This little thing here has got 26 gig. Oh, I'd love to put you on, but I don't even know what it's called. Oh, yes. This car's got a bit of roar to it, innit? Wait, how am I still dropping Tetris moves? I've turned the thing off. Ow. I've done my time, mate. You lot can wait patiently. I've still got some fuel in it. No one asked us to give the next guy some fuel, and this is my fuel. I paid for it. I'm thinking we go up there and do some spirited driving on some open roads. Get some footage in it, boys. Give it an official send-off. Tell you what, though, the tyre lights come on, but I've not even noticed any air leaving the tyre, mate. Oh, is she gonna hit the gap? Oh, you fumbled it. Why are you blaming? What do you want me to do? I'm trying to overtake as well, but my man's just in front. Annoying, bro. It's not even a girl driving it, it's a bloke. Oh, Jenny's done it. Me and Jenny are on smoke, bro, in the Audi Q2. Boom, downshift here, and then give it the beans. This engine sounds nice. It's got like a little bassy, throaty thing, or is that just a hole in my exhaust? If you want to buy some of the cars you see on my videos, if you genuinely email me, I'll give it you for a good price. If you're a subscriber of the channel, because then that way you're looking out for me as well, innit, by watching my content. So I've got to do something in return. Obviously, I'm still going to want to make a drink on the cars because these aren't collector's items. I'm not just counting ups in my driveway. If I make a drink and a subscriber gets a car, then I'm more than happy to sell it to you. Look at this. This is what I mean. I prefer going out for a drive to drive because it's this nice clear roads. No one asked. You know, genuinely, I had another Scirocco. It was a black one, 2 litre petrol. They looked nice. I had the alloys done up and everything. But that car, I've never had more people asking me about a car in car parks than that one. Majority of my cars are just, no one's asking about the VW up at the Sainsbury's petrol station, let's be honest. But the black up, genuinely, I had people asking me, especially young guys as well, just see a nice looking car and a VW badge on it, which means it's potentially affordable. I think people just think they're cool cars and they look faster than they are. Like, they look like there's some sleeper, even though they're not really that quick. But it looks nice. When they still made Sciroccos, I think this was a good first or second car to get. There's not really an equivalent now. Check the view, boys. On the dash cam as well. Nice clear road. Here we go. Suspensions in sport. Good tyres as well, no wheel spin, in the wet. This is why I just prefer driving out here than in the middle of town. Look at, oh, this will look naughty on the dash cam. But yeah, I've done all the work. Sorry, getting a bit tired there. Done all the work to the car. Car's driving fine, working fine. I don't know what that tyre light's about. Might even be a puncher, but I'll identify the tyre because it's not really pulling to any side, so I can't really tell what it is from here. And then bang, we should have a sale on our hands. Get rid of the car, got rid of my fuel, got a video out of it, get rid of the dash cam on the car, and then sell it on Facebook, and then get paid by VOFO. Bro, I've just given away the whole game plan.